Welcome to Seed to Life. Many of you are contacting me about buying seeds. Unfortunately, I'm not a seed distributor. I usually buy good quality seeds from local shops or online nurseries and grow my plants organically. But many times I try to save my own seeds from my own plants. So today in this video, I'm going to share with you how I saved good quality okra or lady's finger seeds from my homegrown plants. So let's begin. The first step to get the good quality seeds from your garden is to pick healthy and strong mother plants. Then the next step is to prepare early in the season when the fruits are big and healthy. I let a few pods stay on the plants and I do not harvest them until the pods become completely dry like this. Then the third step is to harvest and dry the pods for a few more days until they are completely dried. And finally, we are going to open the pods now and save the seeds for the next season, or we can start growing new plants. I'm saving seeds from two different varieties. One is this long velvet okra and the other one is small variety named as crimson. Both are very tasty and even though they get pretty big, they stay tender. You can see here the long one is almost 10 inches long. And the short one is also about 7.5 inches long. So I think it is a good sized fruit to save the seeds from. You also need to keep seed bags ready. I'm using these Ziploc bags, but you can buy special seed bags if you want to protect your seeds better. I typically write down the name of the variety, the date on which we are saving the seeds, and you can add some additional details about the seeds like the size of the fruit or the color of the fruit or any other special characteristics. That way you can make better decisions while sowing these seeds and use the best available seeds. The pods are very crunchy and hard because I dried them well. Take a big plate or a tray underneath because okra seeds are like small balls and they are going to bounce off the plate in all directions if you are not careful. You can also use a blade to open the pods first and then carefully take the seeds out. They are arranged in columns, so when you slit the sides it is easier to just drop them down in the plate. Out of curiosity, I compared the size of the seeds with the original seeds. The seeds from my plants are distinctively bigger than the seeds that I had purchased. So, if you give good nutrition and care to the plants, you can produce your seeds bigger and better than the purchased ones. I hope that next year I will get even bigger okras and stronger plants. And that's it for now. I hope you found this video useful. A big thanks to you for watching my videos and supporting my channel Seed to Life. Please click subscribe for more such videos and updates. Click the bell icon to get notified about future videos. And feel free to reach out to me through comments, Facebook, Twitter or Instagram if you have any questions. I am posting the links in the description. I would love to hear your suggestions and would like to know the news of your garden. Happy gardening. Thank you again. See you soon.